नमो बुद्धाय. महाराष्ट्रातील बौद्ध बांधवांसाठी, उपासक उपासकांसाठी एक स्वर्ण संधी आहे. धम्म अभ्यास करण्यासाठी, त्याचबरोबर प्रवचन ऐकण्यासाठी एक विशेष सुविधा आपल्याला भिक्खू टेलिव्हिजन इन मलेशियाद्वारे बुद्ध धम्म टेलिव्हिजन अशा 2 चॅनल मार्फत आपल्याला धम्माचा श्रवण आणि धम्माचा लाभ घेण्यासाठी उपलब्ध होत आहे. ते अवश्य या टेलिव्हिजनचे, त्या चॅनलचे आपण लाभ घ्यावा. त्याचे लिंक नंबर्स आपण नंतर आपल्याला कळवणार आहे. हे विशेष सुविधा आपल्याला प्रोफेसर सी वली ऑफ श्रीलंका यांच्या मार्फत आपल्याला प्राप्त होत आहे आणि अनेक बनते लोकांचे प्रवचन या मालिकेतून, या चॅनलमधून आपल्याला ऐकायला मिळेल. अवश्य याचे लाभ घ्यावा. त्याचप्रमाणे त्याचे सबस्क्राईब करण्यासाठी विसरू नका. बुद्ध धम्म टेलिव्हिजन आणि भिक्खुनी टेलिव्हिजन इन मलेशिया सर्वांचे मंगल हो. साधू साधू साधू.
Teaching of Buddha through the modern media. The recent situation give a huge area to many people to realize many things through social media, especially spiritual development, spiritual practitioners. They able to get a lot of the teaching and the various highly learned spiritual masters all over the world. Social media, especially YouTube channel, private as well as for the national and international, reach out to many people. I strongly believe it. In India, not only India, the situation is bad at this moment. All over the world, situations are bad. At least they focus the Indian Buddhist population to reach out, to contribute something for their spiritual growth. I highly appreciated the TV channel, the Buddhist TV channel, taking the right effort to reach out to all those the people who require this type of the knowledge, this type of guidance for their spiritual growth. Teaching of the Buddha in India, especially in their root, our forefathers, our teaching especially, went all over the world through from the Dhamma preachers, Dhamma missionaries from India. Compare Malaysia, those who are traders as well as for the 2,700-800 years ago, the traders, they brought the Buddhism into Malaysia as well. It's a very evidence, not a good evidence in the Pujan Valley in Kedah area. We can see very clearly. All those wonderful contribution the Buddha's land, India, given to the all over the places, but India got the sources to reach out to the many other people all over the world. I highly appreciated this program through highly learned spiritual masters to contribute something and learn in education to develop. Appreciate those who are people work day and night to reach out the needy, reach out to the spiritual seeking all over the places. Appreciated each and every one of the right effort. Continue for your good work for the noble teaching of Buddha. Thank you.
Friends in the Dhamma, welcome to the Buddha Dharma television and the Bhikkhuni television that we are launching today in Hindi and in Marathi languages in India for the benefit of millions of Dhamma-loving people, and in particular for the benefit of millions of underprivileged Buddhists in India who are desperately trying, very often in vain, to seek the guidance from the Buddhist clergy. In the distant past, India was the land of Buddhism, and it was the center for Buddhism. But with the time gone by, Buddhism disappeared due to several foreign invasions that took place on several times in different periods in the past. People now want to restore or bring back the lost Buddhist glory, and they are now crying for want of Buddhism. We at the Buddha Dharma Society in Malaysia are trying our best to help facilitate these people with the knowledge of the Dhamma through Buddha Dharma television and the Bhikkhuni television. BDS also is publishing the unique and international magazine by the name of Voice of Buddhist Nuns for promoting the Buddhist female ordination. Please subscribe to it and help us to carry out these noble Dhamma services. And your generous support is highly appreciated. May you all be happy, healthy, and prosperous always.
भारत के सभी श्रद्धा बुद्धि संपन्न शील संपन्न उपासक उपासिकाओं को हृदय से मंगल कामनाएं देते हुए आप सभी को एक खुश खबर है। खुश खबर ये है कि मलेशिया के बोधि धर्मा सोसाइटी की ओर से भारत में बुद्ध धम्मा टेलीविज़न और भिक्खुनी टेलीविज़न शुरू हो गए हैं। इन दो टेलीविज़न की ओर से बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर काफ़ी भिक्खु और भिक्खुनी के धर्म प्रवचन आप सभी को सुनने को मिलेंगे। तो आप सभी को ये निवेदन है कि आप सभी इस अवसर का लाभ उठाइए। महाराष्ट्रातील तसेच सर्व भारतातील उपासक उपासिकांना एक महत्त्वपूर्ण सूचना आहे की भारतामध्ये मलेशियाची बोधी धर्मा सोसायटी याद्वारे बुद्ध धम्म टेलिव्हिजन आणि भिक्खुनी टेलिव्हिजन हे दोन टेलिव्हिजन सुरू करण्यात आले आहेत। या दोन टेलिव्हिजनच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला महत्त्वपूर्ण विषयावर अनेक भिक्खू आणि भिक्खुनीची धर्म प्रवचन ऐकण्यास मिळतील। तरी आपण सर्वांनी या सुवर्ण संधीचा अवश्य लाभ घ्यावा आणि या पुण्यकर्मामध्ये सर्वांनी सहभागी व्हावा। सर्वांचं मंगल हो।
Hello. It gives me great pleasure to congratulate Buddha Dharma Television and Bhikkhuni Television on their official launching today in Hindi and in the Marathi language in India. We want to help millions of Buddhists who seek the refuge in the Buddha, in the Dharma, and in the Sangha. Many of you do not have the easy access to the noble teaching of the Buddha. These two channels will therefore help you all to benefit immensely and improve your knowledge in the teachings of the Buddha, who in fact was an Indian and was the greatest saint ever the world has produced. We at Buddha Dharma Society in Malaysia will do our best to help you meet your spiritual needs through the noble teaching of the Buddha. By the power of the Triple Gem, may Buddha Dharma TV and Bhikkhuni TV achieve much success in reaching out to the world. May you be joyful and happy. Sukhi Hotu.